Marriott room view, Hyderabad Marriott room view. You can just basically we'll have to put this key to switch on all the lights. You can see. Let me begin by opening this cupboard, which has a locker in itself, wherein you can keep all the important necessary uh, things stuff in this particular locker. Then you have laundry bags, you can use it. Then I have just kept my shirts and all. You can see my casual shirt pant is also here. When I open this particular door, then I have, you can see all my stuffs are hanging in here. You have so many this thing hangers, and you also get some chappals which can be used while moving around in this particular room. I'm just closing it. You can see my wet. Let me take you through my bathroom, which has a very huge, not exactly huge, but yes, it's good enough for me, basically I would say. Bathtub. You can see shower. You get towels. I actually get two towels. I'm not sure whether why they kept it only one for now. Then you get some. This is so aromatic. I mean, I am in love of this particular soap. Amazing. That is really amazing. You can see these hot and cold both waters facilities are there. You can use this knob to open this particular space uh, to move that water around from there. Then you obviously get some toiletries, which are pretty important. You get hand towels, two hand towels, though that is used. I'm just siding it for now. Then you get hands shower gel, which is so, everything is so aromatic, let me tell you that way. Everything is so aromatic. You get this thing, body lotions, which is necessary in this. The winter is actually starting, and in Hyderabad you don't really get too much of winter, but yes, you can use that as well. Then you get shampoo for the bath, and that's again so much aromatic. Then you get moisturizer, that is conditioner, sorry, not moisturizer, it's conditioner, which you can use it for your this thing or to the bath maybe. You get shower cap, so that is again very much useful, especially for the women who don't want to wash their hairs on a daily basis. Vanity kit, which actually has about this thing, one bow tie, basically tie your this thing hairs. I mean, the women can do that basically. This is comb. This is so nice. Then you get obviously tooth kit, which is about toothbrush, and then obviously you get paste. Then you get some tissues here. You can see these. You can see my face. I am laughing around. You can see. Don't see that back thing. Just forget about that. Then you obviously have this phone facility while you're doing your job. You may pick up even if you're getting a call in the landline. Obviously, this is your job to do thing. Then let me begin here again. Yeah, this is the huge space for the luggage. You can keep your luggage here. You can see, you can keep something like which you really want to keep there. Maybe most of the time what happens, usually people keep their some stuff which is a bit bigger. You get these water bottles. Obviously you get more water bottles. I'll show you in the future video as well. Not future video, I mean in this video itself. Then you get a lot of things for the tea. So you get sugar normal, and you get obviously sugar free sugar I would say sugar और क्या बोलेंगे इसको तो. Then obviously you get Nestle Sunrise coffee 2 sachet. You can see here. I'm just keeping it. Then obviously for the health conscious guys, you get this thing, the green tea, you get again 2 sachets. Then the organic tea, which is coming from Assam. So that is there are 2 sachets. And then obviously again there's another organic tea tails, Assam black tea, you get that as well. You get 5 sachet of milk. Can you imagine 5 sachet of milk? And that is more than enough, I would say. Then you obviously get these gigantic cups to have your coffee, tea, everything. That is my stuff for now. Here I haven't put on the this thing, our television, but there's a television. You can see that. Then you get a phone. Basically, it's a workstation wherein you guys can work around. That's my stuff. Just ignore it. My stuff. Ignore it. Again, you get this thing, the tea coffee machine. You can just, you'll have to just put in your water, whatever you required. You can just put that sachet. Then obviously you let add sugar. I don't want to describe that process whole thing. Then actually you get one more thing, that is, this is very important. Basically you get to know the basically what are the protocols they have been following during this pandemic. They have been mentioned on that particular, when you scan this particular thing on that particular QR code, you'll get that. You get that night lamp that is used. Sorry, let me show this one also. So you get this wipes, wet wipes. Those are also important, just for if you need it. Then obviously if there's a workstation, obviously you'll have to have your work chair also, that is there. Then you get this comfortable sofa chair. My stuff is lying, just ignore it. Yeah, when I shown you that the cupboard, I didn't show you this particularly, that is ironing and ironing table, which is here, which I am using it right now. You again get 2 lamps, those, that phone line, then the area where you can keep all your stuff. You can see here, you can keep your stuff. Then you get charging points, all the stuffs, and you can see the same thing at the back end with 2 water bottles, as I mentioned some time back. And this is the king size base bed that I actually requested for, and I got it. Sorry, then I didn't show you these things again, so let me take it. So basically you get some drawers wherein you can keep whatever stuff you want to keep it, or probably. And then the most important thing, that is you get fridge, but fridge without anything. So basically what they do, actually usually in this fridge, what I get, I mean in my previous this thing visits, I usually used to have 2 pints of beer, then obviously one liquor, sorry, not liquor exactly, this thing, cold drink, and then used to have some kind of chocolate, so stuffs also there, but that is not here. Maybe pandemic effect, not sure. You get few more drawers where you can keep all your stuff. You get few more like this. You can use those as well. I didn't show you this one. You also get the work drawer on the workstations. 2 3 drawers are there, you can see. So this is how the room looks like for me. You just let me give the another language. Okay, this is a central AC which you can control it from this machine. Particularly you can use this control box. This is the central AC. You can see this, basically behind this you have that washroom. You get that. This is the beautiful room, I would say. And with this room I actually got some nice view. Let me open the curtain. Let me open it. You can see, you can actually, I got a city view, you can see here. And when I say city view, there is a city, obviously clouds are there in the month of November. I'm just showing you one more thing. So that's basically the entry. Okay, there is a security house, then obviously you have some parking slot here, then your car coming from here, that goes here, and then obviously there is this thing. Yeah, at this you see the facade here, there is basically the uh, basically the car entry happens there, and then they take a exit from there only. You can see from here they take a exit, and you can see basically it's a small place wherein they do some kind of social function. You can see that some decoration is going on. This is the seventh floor building. Then obviously you have above this thing, what you also have gyms, you also have spa facility, and you have multi cuisine okra restaurant. You have this thing, you have bidri, which is specifically meant for the Nizami and the local food, authentic food. So this is how my room look like. You can see now the full view of this thing. I just mentioned about bidri, okra. Those are basically the restaurants, which is not while doing this thing. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you. Basically, there's a teapot. I mean, so you can keep your tea. My stuff. I actually bought some mithai from Karachi Bakery, which is very famous over here. So on the mithai note, I'm just winding up my blog. Thank you guys, and looking forward to have some more such kind of uh, vlogs in the future. And obviously let's support each other. Maybe me, I am the new blogger on the town, so maybe you can just support me by subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye. Signing off from the room view of Hyderabad Marriott Convention Hotels. Thank you. Bye.